Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to dive deep into one of the most in-demand skills of the modern world, computer coding. Whether you are a beginner with zero experience or someone who has dabbled a little with programming, this video will serve as your ultimate guide to understanding how to learn computer coding effectively. By the end of this video, you will have the clarity, direction, and strategies you need to start your coding journey the right way. Computer coding is the language that powers our digital world. From websites and mobile apps to artificial intelligence and robotics, everything runs on code. Learning how to code gives you the ability to create, innovate, and solve real-world problems. It opens up career opportunities, enhances problem-solving skills, and gives you a future-proof skill that can change your life. In this video, I will walk you through the mindset you need, the resources you should use, and the step-by-step methods that will help you learn coding efficiently. The first step to learning computer coding is to understand what coding really means. Coding is simply giving instructions to a computer so that it can perform tasks. These instructions are written in programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, and many others. Do not worry if these names sound overwhelming right now. The key idea is that coding is a way to communicate with machines and make them do what you want. Before we go deeper, I want to pause and ask you something important. If you are enjoying this video so far, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Subscribing helps you stay connected with all the valuable content I post about technology, learning, and personal growth. Also, make sure you like, share, and comment on this video because your support motivates me to keep creating more helpful content for you. Finally, do not forget to turn on notifications so that you never miss my next video and always stay updated with the best tips on coding, business, and technology. Now, let us continue. The second step in learning computer coding is choosing the right programming language to start with. Many experts recommend starting with Python because it is beginner-friendly, widely used in industries, and has a simple syntax that looks almost like plain English. Python is great for data science, web development, automation, and even artificial intelligence. On the other hand, JavaScript is excellent if you are interested in creating websites and interactive web applications. The programming language you choose depends on your goals. The third step is setting up your environment. This means installing the tools you need to write and run code. For example, you can use text editors like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or Atom. Some programming languages, like Python, come with their own environment, which makes it easy to get started quickly. The good news is that most of these tools are free. The fourth step is practice. Coding is not about memorizing commands, but about problem solving. You need to practice writing actual code and solving small problems daily. There are amazing free resources such as W3 Schools, Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, and YouTube tutorials that can help you practice coding interactively. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will become. Another important part of learning computer coding is building projects. Projects help you apply what you have learned in real-world scenarios. For example, you can build a simple calculator, a to-do list app, or a basic website. As you grow, you can move on to bigger projects like chat applications, e-commerce websites, or even machine learning models. Projects not only improve your skills, but also serve as a portfolio when you apply for jobs or freelance opportunities. Let us also talk about the mindset. Learning coding can feel overwhelming at times because you will face challenges, errors, and bugs. The truth is, every programmer, even experts, faces these challenges. What separates successful learners is persistence and problem-solving skills. Do not give up when you encounter errors. Instead, use them as opportunities to learn. Communities like Stack Overflow, GitHub, and Reddit are filled with coders who share solutions and are always willing to help. Another useful tip is to learn how to read documentation. Documentation is the official guide that explains how a programming language or tool works. While it may seem complicated at first, getting used to reading documentation will make you more independent and skilled in coding. It is also helpful to join coding communities, attend hackathons, or take part in open source projects. Networking with other coders not only keeps you motivated, but also exposes you to new ideas and opportunities. Many great programmers started their careers by contributing to open source projects. As you grow in your coding journey, you should also consider specializing. Some coders specialize in web development, others in mobile apps, data science, artificial intelligence, or cybersecurity. Specialization makes you more valuable in the job market and helps you build expertise in a specific domain. In conclusion, learning computer coding is one of the most rewarding investments you can make in yourself. It requires patience, practice, and a growth mindset. Start with a beginner-friendly language like Python, practice daily, build projects, learn from mistakes, and gradually level up your skills. Coding is not just about writing lines of code. It is about solving problems and creating something valuable that can impact the world. Before I end this video, I want to remind you again. Please subscribe to my channel to stay connected with more amazing content about coding, technology, and personal development. Also, make sure to like, share, and comment on this video because your feedback means so much to me and helps this channel grow. Finally, do not forget to turn on notifications so that you never miss my next video, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.